Oh hey, I'm Heather with WTI. I am in love with this giant body pillow from Everlasting Comfort. So, you see how big this is? It's so giant, and it literally took a full 24 hours for all of the stuffing, which is a memory foam, to come full of life. Feels like a pet bunny is in here. That's weird, isn't it? That's weird to say. Anyway, look at that. I'm at a loss for words on how to describe this until you go and hold it for yourself. It is crazy comfortable. I will say I got this for my guest bedroom here and I think I'm gonna steal it away. I think I'm gonna steal it. I think I'm gonna take it to my bedroom and use it on my own bed because this is better than my own body pillow, which I used to swear by. So, I told you I was gonna steal it and bring it into my own room. Look how beautiful this is. This is great support for your hips and knees. I am a side sleeper, so I needed something that I could throw my leg over in order to give me the proper form while I sleep. There is a cooling cover for the outside, which I have not put on it yet. Then there is the quilted cover, nice and soft. And there is another cover here before this diced memory foam. Here it is after the cooling cover is added. Easily the entire width of a queen size bed. I wish I had this when I had babies and was nursing, and I just can't even imagine how helpful this would have been back then. So I'm glad I have it now though. It is gorgeous. I could not be happier with this body pillow, and that's my point of view.